Hey guys! Let's talk about two of Rydeen's most popular smart mirrors, the R10 SPL and the R10X SPL. Here's the difference between the R10 SPL and R10X SPL. R10 SPL is a 1080p dual camera mirror dash cam, simple, reliable, and crystal clear day or night. The R10X SPL steps it up with a 4K front camera, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and time-lapse recording for pro-level features. Both have a 10-inch full-touch display, waterproof Sony rear camera, parking monitor, and easy one-wire install. So, if you want solid full HD recording, grab the R10 SPL. If you want 4K, app control, and GPS tracking, go for the R10X SPL. Which one are you putting in your ride? Drop it in the comments, smash that follow, like, and subscribe, and hit rydeenmobile.com for all the details.